Devil dog, I caught you sneaking into my house. I'm sorry, didn't mean to. You son of a gun, I'm calling the law on you. No, please don't. You were sneaking into his house, I see. No, I wasn't. I promise I wasn't. Yes, he was, officer. He was sneaking into my house to steal my stuff. Do you have any evidence about that? Why else would a cat sneak into my house? That's a great observation. Let me call the lawyers. Oh, I'm the lawyer. I'm here to help. Please help. They think I stole their stuff. Looks like you're in a bit of a pickle. No, he's not. He's just fine. I gotta take him to the police department. No, just wait a minute. Where's your hard evidence to prove that he was trying to steal anything? Because he got into my house. Duh, numbskull. That isn't enough evidence to prove. In my book it is. I'm sending him to jail. Yeah, and you can't stop him or I'm gonna call some more police officers. I'm a lawyer, you better listen to me. No. How'd you do that? That's against the law. I'm taking you down too. Help us, Lightyear. Not but that hurt a lot. I'm coming here too. Now just wait a minute. That's violent. You can't be doing that stuff, or I'll send you both to jail. Please save me. I don't want to be stuck like this. No. No. You're gonna go to jail for stealing, and these folks are gonna go to jail for aggravated assault. That's the end of the case.